In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord microphone not working on mobile devices. Now, there could be multiple reasons why, but the first thing you always want to do is you want to open up your system settings regardless of whether you're on an Android or an iOS device. So let's go ahead and do that just like so, and then go ahead and press on the search bar and just type in apps right over here. Obviously, if you're on an iOS device, the UI might look slightly different, but it is going to be the exact same principle. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you locate Discord. So yep, here it is. And after you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on this option that says permissions. You want to make sure that the microphone permission is actually allowed for Discord. So just make sure to go ahead and press on allow over here where it says microphone, because obviously in order to get access to your microphone, Discord needs permission from your device to actually use it. And while you guys are here, I want you to go ahead and clear out the cache. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see storage right over here. And then you're going to see this option that does say cache. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option that says clear cache. And it is going to delete all the corrupted files. And basically, it is going to make Discord fresh again. And in general, it will clean up your files on Discord. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and open up Discord, because another reason why you could be getting this issue is due to your profile itself. So go over here. And then you just want to go to the top right and press on this gear icon just like so. Then keep on scrolling down until you see this option that says voice. And you just want to verify your input mode. So for example, some of you guys may have push to talk turned on, which obviously if you do have that, that means you need to press a button in order to talk. But you guys can go ahead and select on voice activity. And also we do have other things that we can go ahead and fiddle around with. And we could basically change up all of these different settings over here and see what works. For example, for noise suppression, currently we have it on crisp, but you guys can go ahead and change it to standard or none. Again, it really is up to you, and the key is to experiment and see what works and what doesn't. And also, if you have any other conflicting applications that could cause your Discord microphone to not work. So let's say for instance you're running other applications that require your microphone and you're also trying to call on Discord, that is not going to work. That is going to cause issues. So if you're trying to call on your device, make sure that you're only calling from one app. So if you're trying to call on Discord, make sure you're only calling from Discord. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.